Continuing with our prop testing with the Eachine Miss Helen 500mm P51D, that's 2S brushless. I have a Gemfan APC style 5x5 prop on it this morning. Alright, let's take it out here and launch. Oh, I got better wind conditions out here right now than I had last time I was out. That's good. Alright, there's my wind. Alright, launching. Alright, we're in full manual mode. Oh, how about that? I've got one of my GMB 2S 350mm 60C LiPos, because the stock LiPos are actually were below 8.3 volts by the time I get out here. Oh man, it looks like this prop is going to work out too. How about that? Sweet. Certainly looks like it's got good power. Rolls look good. It's pretty speedy through the air. Let's come down this lane here. That's pretty fast. This one doesn't sound as balanced as a couple of my other props, even though I balanced it before I put it on here. But the performance looks good. We'll have to see how much voltage we've got after a 6-minute flight. I've got my timer set for 6 minutes. I certainly have not been easy on it so far, have I? That's sweet. That's pretty cool. Stay away from the sun there. So what do you guys think about the performance on this prop? I reserve judgment until I see you know, how efficient it's going to be on that battery. But the power looks really nice, I have to say. Kind of noisy. I had to add 2 spacers to it, you know, for that prop adapter, so that might be the spacers might be actually throwing the balance off a bit. I do like these little 2S 350mAh batteries though. They provide good punch. They maintained their voltage pretty well. I had about 8.35 volts in the pack after charging it up yesterday afternoon. It's about 10 a.m. the next day. So those little GMB batteries, well, I mean, not just the little ones, but GMB batteries have worked out really well for me over the past couple of years. Seems to be pretty good quality, especially for the price. What do you think of that? That's pretty cool. I would say that this prop definitely provides more power than the stock prop. Just going by memory here, but it sure seems like it. It also seems like it pulls it faster through the air than the stock prop does. The rolls look faster to me. Okay, I'm starting to get my haptic. Let's come back around here and see if we can land it. Make sure nobody's coming. There we go. Alright. Coming in. There we go. Okay, so now let's see how much voltage we got in the pack. I was just a few seconds over, I think, the 6-minute mark before I got it down on the ground. And I pushed it pretty hard most of the flight. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like 6 minutes 11 seconds is how long I had it in the air. So pull this battery out and we'll see. Oh, look at that, guys. 7.6. Got 3.81, 3.82. So that's another prop that provides really good performance for this little plane. And even with this little GNB 2S 350 milliamp hour 60C LiPo, it definitely looks like I'm still going to be able to get at least an 8-minute flight out of it, pushing it fairly hard, leaving 3.6 volts per cell. So another candidate for this plane is the Gemfan APC style 5x5 two-blade prop, and I think that's actually a nylon prop, not an ABS prop, but a nylon prop. But you can find those everywhere. I'll have links to the props as I test them in the show notes. That's a wrap on this episode. I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.